currently on my way to school, and you know, for it being the first week, I really don't feel like going just because you already know that you don't do much on the first week or two, especially since like icebreakers or introductions, and you just wait for like the add and drop classes phase. So here I am. By the time you see this, it'll be the first week I had of school. I enjoyed my schedule, good look after all, and again, I'm just trying to finish this semester and travel some more, so stick around. Today class was canceled, and I can't help but thinking my professor got hurt or something, because this time she didn't give no email, but last time she emailed us saying that her back was blown out when like moving furniture and stuff. She's kind of on the older side, but I don't know. So I guess cheers that class was canceled and get to go home, work on some things, and just relax. So also today marks a full month since the semester started, so everything's good. I'm enjoying everything. Earlier today I said that the class was canceled, so that's good. Got out here with a fresh cut, and now I'm on my way home to get a good package, and I'll later make a film about that package. You'll see why soon, so it's pretty good.